From blasting dust bunnies to blowing away sticky crumbs, compressed air dusters are a must-have for any gadget owner. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 airiest, dust-demolishingest compressed air cans that 2024 has to offer. We'll look at the longest-lasting, most powerful, and easiest to use compressed air dusters, so you can pick the perfect one. From budget buys to pro models, we've got options for every cleaning need and budget. For more information and updated prices about the products mentioned, check the links in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Kicking off our countdown at the number 5 spot is the Atenas compressed air duster and vacuum. This 3-in-1 cleaning tool combines powerful compressed air blowing with strong suction vacuuming for the ultimate dust-busting performance. The air duster itself operates at an impressive 77,000 RPM to blast away dust, dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and other debris from your electronics, keyboard, office equipment, workshop tools, and more. The strong airflow easily dislodges grime from tight spaces like between keyboard keys, camera components, and other hard-to-reach areas. You can adjust between normal and max speed settings to control the intensity. On max, it delivers industrial strength blowing power, but you can dial it down for more delicate items. Now, here's what really makes the Atenas compressed air duster stand out: the built-in vacuum. It reaches a powerful 11,000 pascals of suction to neatly contain all those dust particles the air blows out. With most compressed air dusters, the dust ends up scattered throughout your room, but the Atenas vacuum catches it directly in the detachable tank for quick, easy disposal. No more dusting and mopping up a mess after you're done cleaning. In terms of design, the Atenas compressed air duster and vacuum features a slim ergonomic shape that's easy to grip and hold even when cleaning at odd angles. The easy access finger switch makes powering on either the duster or vacuum a breeze. Powering the Atenas compressed air duster and vacuum is a high-capacity 7,800 mAh lithium-ion battery. It provides nearly 30 minutes of continuous cleaning time per charge, and the battery is completely removable for easy charging via the included USB-C cable. The detachable battery serves double duty as a portable charger for your smartphone or other USB devices. Plug your phone directly into the battery for on-the-go power. While priced at around $79.99, the Atenas compressed air duster and vacuum eliminates the need for buying canned air, ensuring the upfront cost pays for itself over time. And the eco-friendly rechargeable design drastically reduces weight compared to disposable aerosol cans. With its unique 3-in-1 compressed air, vacuum capabilities, versatile cleaning performance, portable design, and innovative features like the power bank battery, the Atenas compressed air duster and vacuum earns the number 5 spot on our list. It's a great option for tackling dust removal projects both large and small. The Henel compressed air duster secures the number 4 ranking for delivering cordless, rechargeable cleaning power at an affordable price point. Priced at around $25.99, this Henel air duster provides tremendous value. The eco-friendly electric design eliminates the ongoing cost and waste of disposable aerosol cans. And the included dual charging base lets you conveniently charge both units simultaneously. Despite the budget-friendly price, the Henel compressed air duster still pumps out robust blowing performance. The powerful motor generates a strong, consistent airstream to dislodge and blow away dust, dirt, pet hair, paper shreds, food crumbs, and other debris. The key advantage of this steady airflow is it helps prevent blowing particles around and making a bigger mess, which is a problem with canned air. By focusing the airstream, the Henel duster keeps more dust contained for easy cleanup. Weighing just 1.28 pounds each, this duster is super lightweight and easily portable. The ergonomic design includes a rubber grip that provides a comfortable, non-slip hold. You can easily maneuver and control the duster even when reaching into cramped nooks. The Henel compressed air duster also includes 3 specialized nozzle attachments to customize and focus the airflow. A narrow nozzle for precision cleaning small spaces, a wide nozzle for covering large areas, and a soft brush nozzle for dusting more delicate surfaces. These attachments help you pinpoint and dislodge grime in the trickiest corners and crevices. Charging each Henel compressed air duster only takes about 2 hours via USB cable, and that gives you approximately 30 minutes of continuous runtime, ample time to tackle most cleaning jobs. The helpful battery life indicator lets you monitor charging status. For an affordably priced electric compressed air duster that still delivers strong blowing power, the Henel compressed air duster is a great value. It earns our number 4 ranking for offering cordless convenience without the expense. Claiming the third place spot is the Coma Bel compressed air duster. This lightweight electric duster features variable speed control and useful nozzle attachments to customize cleaning performance. Offering a max airspeed of 100,000 RPM, this Coma Bel air duster has the power to blast away even heavily caked on dust and debris. And you can dial the speed up or down across 3 settings to match the cleaning task. Lower speeds around 50,000 RPM are perfect for gently clearing dust away from PCs and other sensitive electronics. But you can crank it up to max when tackling dirt ground into your workshop tools or garage equipment. This gives you flexible control over the airflow. The specialized nozzle designs are perfect for detailed cleaning work. The long, thin crevice tool directs a strong airstream into the narrow spaces between keyboard keys, camera components, and other tight areas. You also get wide and soft brush nozzles for more coverage on broad or delicate surfaces. The brush tips help lift and dislodge dust without scratching. Weighing just 11.2 ounces, the Coma Bel compressed air duster is incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. Even after long cleaning sessions, hand fatigue is minimal thanks to the ergonomic grip. Power comes from a rechargeable 7,600 mAh lithium-ion battery. It provides up to 80 minutes at low speeds on a single charge. There's also an LED power indicator and an auto shutoff feature to prevent overheating. For those looking for an electric compressed air duster with variable speed control and specialized nozzles, the Coma Bel compressed air duster is a great mid-range option. It earns the number 3 ranking for its customizable cleaning power. The Dustoff disposable compressed gas duster comes in at number 2 for delivering unmatched air power in a convenient, disposable package. This popular Dustoff duster uses compressed difluoroethane gas to create an exceptionally strong and focused airstream. The jet blast easily dislodges dust, dirt, pet hair, and other debris caught in the tightest spaces. The long, thin straw nozzle included with each can provides pinpoint accuracy. You can zero in on hard-to-access areas like between narrowly spaced computer components or intricate electronic connections. The sustained air jet reaches every nook and cranny. And with an extra-large 10-ounce capacity, each can provides long-lasting cleaning power. You get maximum dust-removing runtime from every can. This twin pack contains 2 complete 10-ounce canisters, so you have double the compressed air power for even the biggest dust-busting jobs. Once the first can empties, just grab the second for continuous cleaning. The popular Dustoff brand is safe on all electronics and plastics. It contains no abrasive propellants that could damage sensitive components, and an additive even helps prevent inhalant abuse. While not the most environmentally friendly option due to the disposable cans, Dustoff compressed air dusters provide unparalleled convenience. No charging or batteries required. Just grab, spray, and discard when empty. With unmatched air power and hassle-free convenience, the Dustoff disposable compressed gas duster earns a very close second-place ranking. When you need maximum strength cleaning in a disposable package, Dustoff is hard to beat. And now, for my number 1 overall pick for best compressed air duster, the Insignia 8-ounce cleaning dusters. While simple in design, these Insignia compressed air cans provide a shocking amount of dust-blasting power for the low price. If you want robust cleaning performance without the high price tags of more advanced rechargeable models, these are a great option. This budget-friendly 2-pack gives you the same potent compressed air cleaning power as more expensive brands. Just press the nozzle to shoot an intense jet of air to dislodge dirt, dust, pet hair, crumbs, and other debris. The thin nozzle design lets you precision target grime gathering in the thickest crevices, like between narrowly spaced keyboard keys or the nooks of your gaming console. You can blast away built-up dust in spaces that are tough for a cloth or duster to reach. Despite the affordability, the Insignia dusters use an environmentally friendly formula that's ozone-safe for your health and the planet. You don't get unwanted chemical residues or abrasive propellants. While the 8-ounce canister capacity provides less runtime than jumbo cans, you get 2 complete compressed air cans per pack. That's 16 ounces of total cleaning power. Once you empty the first canister, simply grab the backup for continuous cleaning. The compact cans are also super portable, so you can stash one in your computer bag to always have compressed air on hand. And the inexpensive price means you can stock up on multiple packs for any intense computer or electronics detailing. For light occasional use or detail cleaning jobs, a single 2-pack of Insignia 8-ounce cleaning dusters can last a long time. The affordable price lets you maximize your compressed air cleaning budgets. Sure, the cans eventually run empty and require replacement, but for shoppers wanting compressed air power on a tight budget, the Insignia 8-ounce cleaning dusters are extremely hard to beat. You get the same intense compressed air jet as premium brands to blast away dust, dirt, and debris, all at a fraction of the cost of rechargeable electric dusters. The Insignia 8-ounce cleaning dusters offer clear advantages that earn them the top spot on my list. They have potent compressed air cleaning power, a super affordable price, an ozone-safe, eco-friendly formula. They come in handy portable cans. The dual canisters provide 16 ounces of total capacity, and it's easy to stock up on multiple packs. For shoppers looking to maximize value, the Insignia 8-ounce cleaning dusters are my #1 recommendation for keeping your electronics dust-free and on a budget. So there you have my top picks for the top 5 best compressed air dusters available in 2024. From the versatile Atenas electric duster and vacuum to the affordable Insignia compressed air cans, there are great options to suit any use case and budget. The most important factors I looked at were blowing power, specialized attachments, cordless convenience, value, and overall dust-busting performance. Any of these top 5 recommended dusters will serve you well for cleaning keyboards, computers, electronics, workshop tools, and other dust-prone items. For more information and updated prices, check the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to let me know your picks for the best compressed air dusters down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful top 5 countdowns and product reviews. I'll see you in the next video.